Is it worth anything? Well, since it's the beginning of 2025 and 25 is silver anniversary, I thought it would be appropriate for us to talk about sterling silver and silver plate at the beginning of this year. So, what is the difference? Well, sterling silver is 92.5% silver over a base metal, usually copper. Silver plate is a base metal with a very thin coating of silver over it. So how do you tell the difference between the two? Well, how are they marked? Sterling silver will often be marked 925, or it can be marked sterling, or it can have a maker's mark on it. If something is tarnished, don't assume it's not silver. Real silver tarnishes. Silver plate pieces will tarnish also, but not as much as true silver. If you had two platters and they were identical, but one weighed a lot less than the other, chances are the one that weighs less is the silver plate, and the one that's heavier is your sterling silver piece. So when it comes to flatware, platters, serving bowls, serving utensils, silver plate, yeah, it has no value, sorry. But sterling silver pieces do have value. So how would you go about selling those? Well, I can tell you, like around here in my neck of the woods, I don't run across that much sterling silver when I clean out houses. Usually it might be a set of flatware, some serving utensils, things like that. And then I usually sell those to my antique dealers because most of them buy gold and silver as well. Sterling silver, usually you make out best if you're selling it for the weight. Now, having said that, it depends on your area. An hour from here in mainline down Philly, you probably are going to get really good money if you're selling those sterling silver pieces in a consignment shop. Recently, I looked on what had sold on eBay and pretty much was blown away because honestly, the pieces that were selling on there were selling for more than what the weight of the silver was. And of course, if anything is marked as Tiffany, you're paying a really high premium for it because you're paying for the Tiffany name, not so much the sterling silver itself. So does it have any value? Silver plate? Nope, no. But if you got some sterling silver pieces, absolutely, those have value. If you would like to learn more about what items in your home might fall into the category of antiques and collectibles and possibly be worth money, check out my book, Beginner's Guide to Antiques and Collectibles. It's available on Amazon.com for $24.95.